Let's make one prompt to show the custom post types as a loop on a page using SenseAI. We can see it has successfully picked up the custom taxonomy as well as custom fields, images. All seems to work quite nicely. Let's check the dynamic data. We can see it's your data successfully. Let's build a carousel. SenseAI has begun building the HTML structure. The carousel JavaScript has been created. You can see it's an inline JS loaded in the footer, and we see it's using the component scope. Let's check the CSS. We can see that all carousel classes have been placed here. Builderius library is growing. We have a gallery with a lightbox, which works with dragging, clicking, and keyboard. We have bento grids, like this one, or that one, an image carousel, and a logo carousel. Also supporting dark and light theme. Copy and paste the CSS. And let's do features centered. I want to replace my default footer on this side. So I will edit the component, the CSS, and here is my footer. And just like that, I have a simple page built out. Our data migration tools have been expanded. You can now export not only native WordPress data like pages and posts, but also custom post types, WP settings, permalink structures, ACF field groups. This is a completely static website. There is no WordPress behind it. There is no database. No PHP, it's just pure HTML and CSS, and in some cases, some JavaScript. But it's built entirely using Builderius and WordPress. The idea here is quite simple. Use Builderius to style, design, and develop your website visually. Then use WordPress to manage your content the way you're used to. You hook up your WordPress installation with a cloud provider such as Cloudflare or GitHub Pages and soon more, or simply export the site as a zip file that you can upload to any hosting provider you want. Once you're done with your editing, choose your deployment method and push to production.